So this is why being greedy will help you leave your 9-to-5 job and get you to where you want to be. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how they can start a full-time passive income business and achieve financial freedom. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel and let's get into it. Now guys, I know the title is a little misleading, but let me explain why this is so important and why having that greedy mindset helped me quit my 9-to-5 job. Now here's the thing guys, I don't want you to think like I'm greedy or I have a greed mindset, but this is human nature, and I want to kind of break it down why I kind of want to talk about this and why it's so powerful in building my business. Now, in a book called Atlas Shrugged, there's a part where he talks about human nature and being greedy. Now, the core fundamentals of our human nature is we are greedy, right? The reason I wanted to start my business at the core fundamental was I just wanted to make more money, right? That's what got me to step into this affiliate marketing world, right? That's the thing that got me in here. Now, of course, obviously there's more that goes into that, right? Peeling back the layers, I wanted to quit my job. I wanted to build a business for my family. That way I can have more time freedom, have financial freedom. But the thing that got me there was having that greed, right? And that's not necessarily a bad thing. I think a lot of people see greed as like a really bad thing. And obviously there is some negative connotation to this, but having that greedy mindset is not necessarily a bad thing. Let me explain why. Now, I'm going to walk you through my journey of having this greedy mindset, right? Again, guys, just bear with me because I don't want you to think like I'm a greedy person because I'm really not, okay? Now, greed got me to the table, right? And now because of this greed, I've been able to quit my 9-to-5 job. From that, I was able to build my YouTube channel, my email list. From that, I built my own courses teaching people how they can leave their 9-to-5 job. From that, I can now help people leave their 9-to-5 job and build their businesses, right? That being said, it allows me to make more money for me. That way I can use that greed to not only fuel my life, but also put it into the things that I love, right? For example, I love giving money to my church because, you know, I'm a Christian and, you know, I give tithe, but I also like to give, you know, lots of money because for me, I believe that my gift as a, you know, as a Christian or just as a human being, I think God put me on this earth to give money to my church or to these charities that do things that I don't want to do. For example, I don't like going on mission trips. I don't like, you know, feeding the homeless. I don't like actually doing the work, right? Because I know that I'm good at making money, meaning I can make a lot of money and give to the people that are willing to do that. Okay, I think God gives people certain gifts, right? I have a buddy that goes to campuses and he helps college students get out of like their rut, right? As far as like, you know, maybe they have drug addiction or they have, you know, they're struggling with certain things. And he has a Christian ministry where he helps them do that. He's actually on campuses doing it. I give to that cause because I have the money to be able to do that. Now, I just don't have the gift to do that. I just can't do it, but I do have the ability to make money to give to those causes. That being said, that's why greed has helped me get to this point where I can now give back. Now, I know this concept is a little backwards and a little weird, but I just kind of want to explain that, you know, it's human nature, guys, and at the core of, you know, all of us, we have that greed, right? No matter what it is. And I don't care who you're talking to, right? I was listening to a podcast with Russell Brunson and Josh Forty, and they were talking about the same thing, right? You know, Russell Brunson is the owner and CEO of ClickFunnels, and, you know, he was talking about why greed got him to do that, right? He just wanted to make more money, okay? But now he's able to build this software that allows him to make more money to give to the things he really cares about. So at the core fundamental, yes, he's greedy, right? But at the same time, now he's making money to be able to do the things he wants to do. I know it's a deep concept and it's something I really don't talk about stuff like this on my channel, but it's just a thought I had in my mind, and I don't want you to like think that like, oh, you're just greedy because you want to make money and, you know, just make money, right? Because I think that holds a lot of us back, right? Because I had this mindset when I was starting my businesses, like, why do I want to make more money? Why am I not just happy with what I have? But I think God gives us a bigger calling to do things that we're called to do, right? So for me, is that having that greed to build my business, to make more money, to take that money and to give things that I'm truly passionate about. And that's something I just want to explain, guys. If you're building your business and you have that greed, right? You have that mindset that I just want to make more money. I want you to dig deeper and figure out what's the main thing that I want to do, right? Yes, I want to make more money. Everyone wants to make more money, but at the end of the day, what do I really want to do with that money, right? I don't need that much money to live my life, right? Guys, I literally need maybe $10,000 a month to live our lifestyle. And we live a pretty good lifestyle, guys. We eat out all the time. You know, we have nice cars now. We have a beautiful home, but I don't live this crazy lavish lifestyle, right? My business does 6 figures per month. I take a lot of this money and I give it back to my church. I give it back to charities. I give it back to things that I'm not willing to do because I'm allowing other people to fulfill their gift by fulfilling my gift. So I hope this video was of value, guys. I know it was kind of a weird video. I haven't done anything like this in a while, but I just want to kind of explain that and kind of show you why having this greed mindset could be a good thing, right? It's all about using the tools you have, you know, in this case, money, into, you know, something a lot greater. So I hope this video was of value for you guys. Hopefully it got you kind of thinking in a different way. And I hope you guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one.